The Israeli fighter jets attacked the northern Gaza Strip town of Beth Lahia, hitting a security post that belongs to Hamas's military wing, the Al-Qassam brigades. They hit that place with at least four rockets. This has happened while people were sleeping, and the preliminary reports from the area saying that some homes suffered damage to their windows, and a lot of panic, especially among the children and the elderly people. Now, the Israeli military has announced and confirmed the targeting of a Hamas security position in northern Gaza, saying that allegedly rockets were fired from Gaza earlier, and that this bombardment was in retaliation.